Is this Delsin Rowe?
Yeah, who's this?
I am just a huge fan of your work. That tab you put on the needle, the yin-yang conflict of avian desire, right? See, I get what you're doing. The whole give power to the powerless thing, and I want to help.
Okay. Well, if you want to help, you can help me find one of the escaped conduits who might be here in the Lantern District.
Oh. Well, why do you want him? Or her?
I just want to shake his or her hand.
Okay. Well, I've heard the DUP's planning to take all the suspected conduits they've routed up and move them to this holding facility they built downtown. Convoy's supposed to come right through the Lantern District, cutting across the I-90 overpass.
Okay. You happen to know if any of these people have actual powers?
Oh yeah, totally. Absolutely, yes.
Huh. Well, thanks. I'm sorry, man. What'd you say your name was?
It's Eugene. It's a dorky name, I know.
Hey, my mom got Delsin off of an old western. Hey, Eugene, I'm thinking the easiest thing to do here is somehow drop the road a little. You know, pull the rug out from underneath them.
Well, you could just blow it up.
No, I can't take the chance it'll kill the conduit I'm looking for. I think I'm just gonna cut the supports, and the trucks will make it drop a little. Bam! Instant roadblock.
Okay. See, man, this is why I'm such a big fan. I wish I could be there to see it.
Well, come on out and watch. You know, from a safe distance, of course. Because when we conduits go to work, you mortals better give us a wide berth.
Right. Right. Well, you know what, on second thought then, I'm gonna stay home. I'll let you know if I find anything more about the convoy, though.
Eugene, when's this convoy supposed to show up?
Tonight sometime? I mean, I really don't know for sure. Are you still at the overpass?
Yeah, still here. Just been making friends with the locals. There doesn't seem to be any traffic up top, man.
Well, yeah, because the dupes took it over. Or closed it off to citizens. So you finished with the supports?
Yep, all done. About to head topside and get ready for a little game of chicken with the dupes. Shit. Damn it. Of course. Suckers. Hey, Eugene, talk to me, man. What am I looking for in this convoy?
I don't know. I mean, they're moving a lot of prisoners, so maybe look for some buses? Whoa, what's that?
Helicopters? Whole back of them. Don't think they can see me in the fog.
Initiate search and recover!
Come on, just hand over your prisoners, and we'll call it a day. Hey, I got one. I don't know how, but I did.
They're back on his tail! Leave line of sight!
Eugene, those buses are long gone. Any chance you know where they went?
I don't know. Radio chatter's all over the place. I can't figure out where they're headed.
Oh, wait. You're tapped into the DUP right now? How the hell did you pull that off?
Just this phone app I've been tinkering with. Here, I'll send you a link.
Okay, got it. So, what's it do?
It's a signal tracker. You can listen in on the DUP's communications. But the cool thing is you can also use it to pinpoint the direction the signal's coming from.
Man, I think I'm gonna have to take this thing out for a test drive.
We drove right into a goddamn ambush. It was definitely Rowe. We were able to get clear with our cargo, but we lost contact with the others.
No, Eugene, I got something.
I told you.
No idea on casualty figures. I'm telling you, whatever the hell it was is still up there. It's like nothing else I've ever heard before.
Empty. Somebody must have beat me to him. Ooh, you're new. Sorry, I got other plans. Eugene, I found that first bus, but it's empty. There was 3 on the overpass, so that means there's still 2 out there. Hey there, fan of mine. You still there? One minor setback and you hang up on me. What fan you are.
We need help! There's too many of them! They're everywhere! Everywhere! The fuck! Can't see a thing! Can you hear? You hear that?
Okay, this is not going the way I expected. Gotta find that last bus before whatever did this does.
Incoming! Multiple airbornes! Returning fire, but there's just too many of them! The attacks are coming from above! They're right overhead!
What in the hell have I walked around?
It's Rowe! These monsters have gotta be his! Screw the angels! Kill him! I don't see him. Anyone? We lost our field lead!
Angels? Are you kidding me right now? So either one of those escapees can make angels, or I'm going after God. And I do not like my odds in that matchup.
Hey, Delsin, look, they found one of those vests the DUP suspects wear over by Hingham Market. A guy it belonged to might still be there. There's lots of places to hide.
Oh, thanks for the tip. So where'd you disappear to earlier, huh?
Hey, well, maybe conduits don't have to go to the bathroom, but the rest of us do.
How do you get all this information about what's going on?
Okay, in the Lantern District, the walls have ears and eyes. I just have friends in high places.
Sounds like helpful friends.
Well, I couldn't imagine better.
Let's see, if I had one of these things on, I would want to get it off as fast as possible because, well, because they're butt ugly. And I guess because they just scream, attack me. I'm a suspected bioterrorist. So you want someplace private to get undressed with a door that locks, place to sit while you changed. A porta potty would be perfect. You'd kill two birds with one stone.
Which of you are hiding there? Don't you know those bioterrorists are the reason the dupe is here?
Not a great start.
They do not understand English. Yeah, maybe you could teach them English.
Great. Bilingual bullying. Nope. Hey, I'm not with the DUP, and I'm not a freak who goes around opening occupied porta potties. No, wait, I saw him first. These angels are quick.
Hey, Delsin, I'm in the Lantern District. You still here?
Yeah, about time you made it across.
What the hell's going on? I leave you on your own for a couple hours and suddenly there's angels dive bombing people.
Gotta have something to do with the conduit we're looking for. I set free a bunch of prisoners the dupes were moving. I think one of them might be our guy.
Well, lucky for you, Big Brother's here. Finding escapees is what I do.
Well, be on the lookout for anyone in a black and yellow vest. I saw one on the ground in Hing Hang Market. Looked like a bitch to get off. Locks all over it.
Gotta say, little brother, getting the hang of this manhunt thing. Maybe when we get back home, I'll deputize you. Can have a job for a change.
Whoa, no thanks. One cop in the family is embarrassing enough.
There's one trapped on the crane. Let's go get him.
You fellas mind if I tag along?
Come down, so we can rip your freak show head off. I didn't do anything to you. You're a stain on humanity. You'll kill yourself.
Not crazy to be awesome. Not crazy to be awesome.
In a world with people like you. They've got us surrounded.
гаденыш! Будет веселуха! Братва, лови его! Лови, хай-хай, тащи сюда!
Видишь? Ugh.